With this beast of a road robot, potholes are about to become a thing of the past. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at CyberGuy.com, and that's where you get set up for my newsletter. Now, whether you're on a bike or driving in a car, we've all experienced the frustration of hitting those dreaded road craters. Well, what if I told you that a fully autonomous robot could fix all that? A company called Robotis 3D is developing three technologies as part of its autonomous road repair system known as ARRES. RSI is designed to be installed on vehicles and look for signs of surface problems on roadways, keeping a watch there. It determines their severity, sorts them, prioritizes them before logging the results into a central database. Well, that is when ARRES Prevent combines this AI-powered road survey technology with an unmanned robot vehicle that's able to spot small cracks in surfaces and seal them to prevent potholes from even starting to begin with. But wait! Robotis 3D is also developing the ARRES Ultra. It is a larger machine capable of tackling bigger repairs. From surface cracks to fully grown potholes, this beast will handle it all. More crazy cool tech like this at CyberGuy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Get it for free by logging into CyberGuy.com in your browser and then clicking the little red button.